Hello everyone, I'm Shivam Pasari and welcome to Asian Academy. So as you can see from the title of this video, in this video we'll solve another question on the topic of quadratic equation, and the question is as follows. Solve for x colon 2 into 3 raised power 2 into 1 plus x minus 4 into 3 raised power 2 plus x plus 10 is equal to 0. Now we are provided 4 options for this question. Option A minus 1 comma log 5 by 3 base 3. Option B minus 1 comma log 2 base 3. Option C minus 1 comma 5 by 3. And option D minus 1 comma log 3 by 5 base 3. So this was our question, and I would like you to try this question first by yourself and then come to this video for the solution. I hope that you've tried the question and you've got the solution, and if you didn't, then let's check the solution. So according to our given question, we are given a quadratic equation in terms of x, and we have to find the value of x. Now the quadratic equation is as follows. 2 into 3 raised power 2 into 1 plus x minus 4 into 3 raised power 2 plus x plus 10 is equal to 0. So this is our quadratic equation, and we have to find the value of x. Now to solve this quadratic equation, let us take 3 raised power x as said. So we will get 2 into 3 raised power 2 plus 2x, that is equal to 2 into 9 into 3 raised power 2x, that is equal to z square, minus 4 into 9 into z plus 10 is equal to 0. So our quadratic equation is simplified into this. Now 2 into 9 into z square can be written as 18z square, minus 4 into 9 into z can be written as minus 36z plus 10 is equal to 0. So we have got a quadratic equation in terms of z, where we have got 18z square minus 36z plus 10 is equal to 0. Now if we will simply take 2 common from this equation, we will get 9z square minus 18z plus 5 is equal to 0. And now let's solve this quadratic equation to get the value of z, and then we'll get the value of x. So according to our last step, we have got this quadratic equation in terms of z, and now we can solve it by using either of the two methods. Method number 1, the middle term method, and method number 2 by applying the formula. Now we'll solve this question by using the middle term method, because minus 18 can be easily broken as 9z square minus 3z minus 15z plus 5 is equal to 0. This is because 9 into 5 is equal to 45 and 3 into 15 is also 45. Now if we take 3z common from the first two terms, we'll get 3z minus 1 in our first bracket, and if we take minus 5 common from the last two terms, we'll get 3z minus 1 in our second bracket. So our first bracket is equal to 3z minus 1 and our second bracket is equal to 3z minus 5. So the value of z is simply equal to 1 by 3 and also equal to 5 by 3. So we have got the value of z as 1 by 3 and 5 by 3, and we can replace z as 3 raised power x. So we'll get 3 raised power x is equal to 1 by 3 and 3 raised power x is also equal to 5 by 3. Now first case, we can simply say that the value of x is equal to minus 1, because if 3 raised power x is equal to 1 by 3, the value of x is simply equal to minus 1. And for the second value, 3 raised power x is equal to 5 by 3, let's solve it by using the method of logarithm to find the second value of x. So for finding the second value of x, we will simply take log on both sides, and we will get x log 3 is equal to log of 5 by 3. So we have got the value of x as log 5 by 3 whole divided by log 3. Now we know that if we have a situation of log a by b, then it can be simply written as log a base b. So this value can be written as log 5 by 3 base 3, and according to our given option, it is option number A, because option number A includes two values, minus 1 and log 5 by 3 base 3. So according to our given question, the value of x is option number A, minus 1 and log 5 by 3 base 3.
That was all for this video, and I hope that you understood all the topics covered in this video. And if you have any doubt, then you can post your doubts down in the comment section, or you can send your doubts to us to our channel's official Instagram or Facebook page, and we will surely solve your doubt as soon as possible. Or you can go to the official website of Asian Academy and you can send your doubts to us from there, and all the links are provided down in the description. And if you did like the video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel Asian Academy.